Hello world, I wanted to share a quick update on a recent story I posted on my news channel, fresh off the press. This is Codex. OpenAI Codex released a Chrome extension plugin for Chromium-based browsers. Obviously they say Chrome, but it should work, as you will see here, with any browser that you use, but that it's based on Chromium. For example, I'll be using Brave. So it's a story I just released, and it links to the OpenAI page. As you can see here, they provide instructions how to set it up and use it. The way to install it is very simple. There is a new Codex extension on Chrome. You can install it on your browser, and you can do it directly from Codex. What you need to do in Codex is essentially you need to connect the favorite apps to Codex, and the Chrome extension is one of them. As you can see, it also comes with a dedicated skill to make the browser use more efficient. Let's open this, and that will take me to the same page where you can see the Chrome extension, and you're required to install or add it. I'll just do it again, and I just added it. So let's ask it to do something. And what I'm going to ask it is, I'm going to ask it to go into this page. Please use your Chrome extension, go to this website, and post a question to the council and ask the council if a hot dog is a sandwich. So as you can see, this is a really important question I'm asking the AI, and hopefully Codex will figure this out. And if everything works well, we should see some activity on the Chrome browser on the side. So there we go. And you can see it happened on over here. And this is the website. Let me make this a little bit bigger now. And you can see it's clicking around. My hands are here. I'm not touching anything. It's starting a new discussion. That's good. And it needs to ask the council. We have DeepSeek V4 Flash. We got Granite 4.1 running on Llama. And we have the chairman of this council, which is the Gemini 3.1. And by the way, if you're not familiar, this is my LLM Council Plus. Wow, it's typing it slowly. That's interesting. I thought I was just going to copy and paste, but okay. That works well as well. So this is my LLM Council. It's a fork based on Andrej Karpathy's project I released 5 months ago. I will have another video at some point. It's pretty cool, pretty comprehensive, and you can run almost any model that you want and create a council of up to 8. So big council if you like to see that thing. It's still thinking, let's go on, let's see what's going on with Codex. Please confirm, and I'll say yes. Okay, why so unsure of himself? So I'll say yes. Okay, so it's going to send the query to the console. There we go. You can see in the background, it's doing it. So the council is going to respond. So here we have the DeepSeek saying it's a classic debate. Yes, I know. That's why I ask you that. And let's see who else is answering. Granite, did it answer? Yeah, it completed. So it got the answer from Granite. And here are the peer rankings. So the process in this council is that each model ranks the answer of the other one without knowing who is the model, because we keep it confidential. So avoid bias. Here is the final answer. And let's ask it, what is the answer? I don't know why it's so waiting for guidance all the time. So it'll check the council tab. I found the council tab, Chrome. Yes, good. Technically and legally, I didn't know legally, how that can be considered a sandwich. But culinarily, still debate. So that was a quick update on this. Hope you find it useful, and I'll see you in my next video. Cheers!
AI spotlight illuminating the future of AI.